Hello, myself, squadron leader Dr. Abhijit. I've been associated with the Agarwal Hospital since 3 years, and prior to this, I was in Indian Air Force. I served for 8 years. I'll be talking today about the most common condition which causes diminution of vision, that is cataract. Cataract, it usually causes blurriness of vision, and it's completely curable. And the symptoms, what the patient feels, they have a bit of blurry vision, or the kind of vision what you see is you are looking through the foggy window, and you will also have difficulty in night with the extreme sensitivity to the light as well. In Agarwal Hospital, we have state-of-the-art equipment with the most precise investigations, where you can go completely spectacle free as well after the surgery, and it's hardly a daycare procedure which takes around 10-15 minutes, and you can resume your work within a couple of days. And the surgery itself, it's a micro incision. It's completely bladeless and injectionless. You will be awake, comfortable, and it's the process is very smooth. So you can get your surgeries done in Agarwal Eye Hospital in Hadapsar branch. So kindly do visit our branch for any cataract related queries.